This 2021 Cruiser RV MPG 2500BH U-Dinette Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Cruiser RV is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a gray, classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV, Skylight, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Cruiser RV MPG 2500BH U-Dinette Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is 6,154 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.